Getting the teeth whitening has really just given me that confidence. I can smile more and I don't feel like I have to hide my smile, and it's just really helped me out. Hi, my name is Viviana Ventures, and I received teeth whitening here at Inspiring Smiles. Holidays were coming up and you're around a lot of friends and family, school parties, holiday parties, lots of pictures. So I really just kind of wanted to refresh my smile and make me just have that confidence. The technology they have here at Inspiring Smiles really made such a huge difference. They have a digital oral scanner, so you don't have to put that goopy stuff in your mouth and put the trays in for the mold. It was so much more pleasant. And then Dr. Barden really made me feel comfortable before and after the treatment. They come in, they tell you what all is going to happen, they answer any questions you have. It was really a great experience. Someone should really choose Inspiring Smiles for the teeth whitening or any other treatment. They have the technology, they make you feel comfortable. It was a very easy experience, so overall I would totally recommend them.